Hey yo, what's up guys and welcome back to a new video. I hope you guys are having a great day so far. So today's video I'm going to be really attempting to fix this Ducky 1-2 mini keyboard. As you guys know, this keyboard broke. So what I mean by broke, there's just pretty much like the space bar and the left control button, which are the main keys that I use in this keyboard. They broke. So the overall goal of this is to try and fix this. So I have my Cherry MX Red switches from mechanicalkeyboards.com, which I'll link in the description to get some, whether it be switches, keycaps, keyboards. I mean, they got a whole bunch of stuff. So make sure you also use the code Robbie. Help me out a little bit. So without further ado, also I need to explain this stuff. So what you need is some electrical solder to hold stuff down. You need a soldering iron and you need a soldering sucker. This is gonna be a lot harder than I thought. So first things first, I need to take the keycaps off and then unscrew it and then go from there. Alright, so we got the keycaps off, we got the screws out, we got everything pretty much out. So now we have the actual keyboard as to what we're going to be working on. Again, I think I'm getting over myself and this may turn into a complete disaster. We'll see. A lot of things that could go wrong here. This is just all experimental purposes. We got to solder this and see how it comes out. And once it comes out, yeah, I mean, there's nothing else I can really tell you. Again, this is all experimental, so like I would love to show you guys up close, but I don't even know what I'm personally doing, so yeah, we're just gonna try one, just see how it comes out. Well, I actually figured out how to use this thing, which explains all of this here, which you guys I know probably can't see, but I think we're about to get the switch out. Come on. Let's go! I did it! I actually got the switch out! Yes! That's the spacebar switch. So I got that out. Wow, that took forever. Now I gotta do it on one more, luckily, and not the whole keyboard. So that's, you know, thank God. But now it's time to get the switches out. It's still hot. Now it's time to get this out, these are the new switches, and solder it. And honestly, if this doesn't even work, then my keyboard's just bugged and I need to buy a whole new one. So we have old versus the new one.
A few moments later.
Alright y'all, so new spacebar is in. Solder looks fairly clean, I would say. Now it's time for testing when I actually get the left control button in as well. Alright guys, so roughly 30 minutes later, in total, to fix two switches, the spacebar and the left control button. Thing is, will they work? So once again, to save y'all's time, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this all back together, even with the keycaps, screws, and everything, plug this in, and then let you guys know in the final result and whether or not it actually truly works or not, or if I just need an entire new keyboard rather than just the switches. And if that's the case, so be it. At least I know that I got replacement switches and I know how to replace switches if I need to, but I'm gonna go ahead and probably throw these out because they're not usable anymore. Now it's just a matter of putting it back together and testing it.
A few moments later.
I fixed my Ducky keyboard, at least as it seems to have been fixed. I played a couple games of COD and I did some typing tests with it. Works again. So it may have just been a bad switch, and that's fantastic. Now that I know how to fix the switches, it's really not even that hard. I know this video may have not been so clear on how to fix a switch, but if you guys would like me to do it like a step-by-step on how to fix a mechanical keyboard switch, whether it be a red, silent red, blue, green, brown, silver, whatever kind of switch it is, leave a like on this video and I'll probably do it. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Help me get to 2,000 subscribers. We're literally almost there. Way more than halfway there. So subscribe. See you soon. Peace.